Hi, and welcome to today's tutorial. This video is going to show you how to create a lead magnet funnel inside of System in under 15 minutes. If you're not yet familiar with System, you can download a completely free account using the link in the description below this video that allows you to collect emails for up to 2,000 subscribers before moving up to a paid tier. So once you've set up your new System account or you're logged into your current System account, you're going to click on the Websites and Sales Funnel drop down in your menu navigation, which is going to open up a pop-up window to create your funnel. You're going to name your funnel, choose your funnel domain, and click Build an Audience, since for your lead magnet funnel, you'll simply be collecting email addresses to build your email list. You can also drop down to choose your currency or type in your currency and choose the correct option. Tap Save and click into the funnel that you just created. System, like other landing page builders, has a variety of templates for you to choose from, so you can scroll through and find the best one for your use. Pay particular attention to whether the template simply has a button, which means it's going to have a pop-up field for people to enter in their information, or if it has an inline form where people enter their information directly on the page. You can preview any template by clicking Preview Template and scrolling through the rest of the page to see if it matches what you're looking for. Choose your template by clicking Select, and you're now inside your two-step lead magnet funnel. The first step is your squeeze page, i.e. your registration page or opt-in page. And the second step is your thank you or download page. Click onto the step you want to edit and rename your step. You can also customize your URL path, which is the string of letters and numbers that come after the root domain. It's a nice touch to simply use the name of your actual lead magnet as the URL slug. Next, click into Edit Page to design your opt-in page. Now, on your opt-in page, typically you want to keep it simple and not let visitors be distracted. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to delete this menu navigation up here, as well as this row, our headline, tagline, our opt-in. System is super simple to use, as you can simply click into the element that you want to customize, select all, and update with the information you like. You can customize any elements on the page by hovering and clicking and making any adjustments to the settings in the left-hand pane. Or you can add new elements by simply dragging and dropping to wherever you want them to show up. You can also delete elements by hovering and clicking the delete option. You can add elements like text, bullets, images, videos, audio, and more. You can also delete entire sections by hovering, finding the green box, and clicking delete. You can do the same in your footer by clicking and adjusting your settings in the left-hand pane. If you'd like to add additional fields to your form, scroll under the elements and drag and drop a form input button. Click into the element, choose your field type, and choose whether you want it to be required or optional. Then you can adjust the margins, font size, and other formatting options here. Once you've made adjustments to all of the copy and images on the page, you're going to click on your button and choose the action you'd like to occur after someone clicks the button. You'll see your options are to submit the form, to show a pop-up, to open to a URL, to go to the next step in the funnel, which would be your thank you page, to reset a password, or to download a file. Because this is the first step of our funnel and we're collecting someone's email address, we want to choose to submit the form. And then we want to choose where to redirect them. We can bring them back to the same page, which in this case wouldn't make sense. Drive them to a custom URL. So for instance, if you have a thank you page on your website or in another system, or to the next step in the funnel, which is our thank you page. You can also choose to enable double opt-in, which means people will receive a confirmation email they must click on in order to confirm their subscription to your list. This helps keep your list super clean and avoid any spam. Finally, you can click to add an automation rule, add your first action, and add tags to anybody who opts into your lead magnet. You can click Add Action and save your rule. The last step is to go to your settings, scroll down to the bottom, and make sure you put the title of your lead magnet, an SEO optimized description, any SEO optimized keywords, your name, and a graphic that's representative of your lead magnet. This image will populate on places like social media when you share the link to your lead magnet opt-in page. You can also choose to hide your page from search engines or display or hide your affiliate badge, which when people click on it and later purchase a System subscription, you'll be credited as an affiliate and could receive a commission. When you're done, simply click Save, view your page, and make sure everything looks the way that you want it to. Next, you'll exit out of the page. Now remember when we were inside the page editor and we chose to set up an automation rule to add a tag to anybody who opted into your lead magnet. You'll see that automation, that rule that you created in the page editor also shows up here. And if you click it, you can also add an action to send them a welcome email after they opt in. Now you can choose an email you already have created, you can edit the message, or you can draft an entirely new message. Whatever you set up here, make sure you click Save Rule and head back to your step. Finally, you're going to set up your thank you and download page. Click into this step and choose your template. Again, keep an eye out for the type of layout that you want. Perhaps it's something with a video, or just simple steps on what to do next, or maybe you even want a button as a call to action. Remember, you can preview your page first and then make your selection. Don't forget to change your page name and URL. When you're ready to customize your page, click Edit Page, and you can see, just as you did with your lead magnet opt-in page, it's very easy to customize all of the elements on your page. You can scroll and delete sections and update your footer. To change any calls to action, simply click on your button and choose the action you want to happen once the button is clicked. For instance, you could drive back to your website, to a social media account, or allow them to download the file directly on your thank you page. Again, don't forget to update your settings and click Save and view your page to make sure that all of the changes that you want are complete. Click the button to exit your page, and your final step is to go ahead and test your funnel to make sure everything is in working order. Perfect! You've just completed your first funnel in System in under 7 minutes. If you didn't sign up for your System.io account yet, head to the description of this video to snag your free account and get to work on your first lead magnet funnel.